The Honda V2 engine at 52 degrees have been used in a lot of models, like most of the Shadows from 500 to 1100 cc's, all of the old Transalps, the famous Africa Twin, the Hawk, NTV, Deauville and a lot more. Because some of these bikes have several decades of use and tons of miles or kilometers due to their reliability, at some point it's highly probable that they develop a tiny leak of coolant water in the junction tube between the cylinders. It's an easy repair. We first need to drain all the water coolant. There is a draining bolt on the water pump. Depending on your model, it may be under or on the side of the pump. Now we take out one of the junction tube clips. It's very easy. And we slide the tube to that side. Due to years of use, it may be a little stuck. A previous cleanup may help. The O-ring is usually too dry to be easily removed, so I just cut it, being very careful to not damage the tube, as that could cause another leak, a lot more difficult to repair. And now I remove the old O-ring. A good cleaning before putting the new O-ring. Now I spray a little bit of silicone to help sliding back the tube the other way. We are going to do the same operation on the other side by sliding the tube again. So the remaining clip needs to be removed and put on the other notch to help pushing. It's the perfect moment to bump the like button. It's very helpful for the channel. Thank you very much. There are different sizes of O-rings, so check which ones are needed for your bike. Here you can see the difference between an old O-ring that easily cracks and the new flexible one. So I carefully put the second O-ring. Again, I spray a bit of silicone to help sliding the tube back. And I put everything back together. I slide the tube forth and back a couple times to make sure the O-ring sits in the right position. On the Shadows models there is less room to do this repair, so on the description I will put a link to a video I found on YouTube with a good idea to work on these models. After putting back the second clip, we're done on this part of the bike. Time to refill with fresh coolant. Cheers!